If you've ever used a clay mask and felt like your face turned into dry concrete, this video is for you, because detoxing your skin should never mean damaging your barrier. Today we're talking about a restorative beauty clay mask that works for oily skin, dry skin, sensitive skin, acne-prone skin, even irritated skin. Why most clay masks fail. Traditional clay masks pull oil aggressively. Yes, they absorb impurities, but they also remove protective moisture. And when the barrier gets stripped, your skin either produces more oil, becomes irritated, or looks dull and tight. Healthy skin should feel balanced, not stiff. What makes this mask different? This mask restores while it refines. It gently draws out impurities while supporting hydration. So instead of feeling dry, your skin feels calm, smooth, and supple. Super ingredient benefits. Zinc oxide. Zinc oxide is incredibly soothing. It helps calm irritation, supports the skin barrier, and has natural antimicrobial properties. Kaolin clay. Kaolin is one of the gentlest clays. It absorbs excess oil and removes pore buildup without aggressive stripping. Olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil contains polyphenols and natural fatty acids that soften, nourish, and support elasticity. That's the difference. Detox and nourish at the same time. Who this is for? This is perfect if you have oily skin, dry skin, combination skin, acne-prone skin, sensitive skin, irritated skin, dull skin. Yes, all skin types. How to apply. Start with slightly damp skin. Apply a thin to medium layer over the face and neck. Do not cake it on thick. That doesn't make it work better. Let it sit 10 to 15 minutes. You'll feel it set, but not painfully tighten. How often? You can use this 1 to 4 times weekly. It's gentle enough for consistent use without stripping essential oils. What you'll notice. After rinsing, skin feels smoother, pores appear refined, tone looks brighter, texture feels softer, no tight dryness, that's balanced skin. Clay masks shouldn't punish your skin, they should restore it. Radiance doesn't come from stripping, it comes from supporting your barrier. DIY Restorative Beauty Clay Mask Recipe with measurements. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon kaolin clay, 1/2 teaspoon zinc oxide powder, cosmetic grade, non-nano, 1 teaspoon extra virgin olive oil, 1 to 2 teaspoons filtered water, adjust for texture. Instructions: mix kaolin clay and zinc oxide in a glass bowl. Add olive oil. Slowly add water until a smooth, creamy paste forms. Consistency should be spreadable, not runny, not thick. Application: apply to damp face and neck. Leave 10-15 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water. Pat dry. Follow with moisturizer. Use weekly or up to 3 times weekly depending on your skin needs.
Two queens in a mirror, lifting each other higher. Steam on the windows, soul on fire. Yeah, you said I'm looking good, but I'm trying to look better. With this spa day match, we gon' glow forever. So welcome back, baby. Let's pick up where we left off. Good friends, good vibes, good skin. That's the payoff.